We're going to restore an old Timex mechanical that doesn't run. You can see that it's wound all the way to the top and not moving. We'll snap off the back, remove the movement. Looks like there's some corrosion on there. The balance wheel moves freely, but then it stops. The Timex movement like this is not designed to take apart. You can, however, put it into lighter fluid. I use mineral spirits. Oftentimes they'll start up immediately when you put them in mineral spirits. This one's not starting up right away, but it is moving better. If you look in the solution, you can see a lot of debris coming out. We'll let the movement soak. We'll clean up the crystal and clean up the band. To polish the crystal, we'll start with 400, then go to 8, 1200, 2000, and then 3000, and we'll just look at the scratches. It'll be a lot better when we get the big scratches off with the 400. You can see it's hazy, but most of the scratches are out. We'll work it until all the scratches are out. Now we can see all the big scratches are out. Use the 800 grit sandpaper. That'll take the 400 grit scratches out. 30 seconds of that, and you can see it's starting to clean up. Now we'll go 1200 grit. Now it's really starting to clean up. Go 30 seconds with 2000 grit, looking just to get the scratches out. Now you can actually start to see through it a bit. 30 seconds on 3000. After this, the buffing will really make it shine. We'll buff it on here very lightly in a couple different directions. Now it's really clean. We'll just wipe it up. Use a soft cotton cloth. You can see that's a lot better. Clean everything up. I'm going to make my own cleaning solution using vinegar and soap for the first bath. Because vinegar is an acid, we need to neutralize it with baking soda. I'll take water, put a little bit of baking soda in it, and that'll neutralize it so it doesn't corrode after we clean. Turn on the machine and submerge the watch. Of course, this is just the watch band, not the movement. You don't want to get the movement near any water. Toothpaste will really help get the grime off. We'll open up everything and clean it up. You can see all the dirt in the water. These watches really shine after this. Once it's clean, we'll put it in the baking soda to neutralize the acid. You can see that's looking a lot shinier, a lot cleaner. You can just watch the dirt pull off of this. Now rinse off the baking soda. To loosen up the debris on the movement, I'll put it into the sonic cleaner. I don't want to go too aggressive, maybe 15 seconds. Now we can see the balance wheel moving, no problem at all. See, we pulled out quite a bit of debris. I'll place it into some cleaner mineral spirits. Now we can see the second hand moving, no problem. Let it run in the mineral spirits for about 24 hours to make sure everything's cleaned out. The watch running like this will clean out all the pivots. Now that everything's clean and shiny, we can put everything back together. Soak up the excess mineral spirits, blow everything out. Now it's like the commercial, takes a lick and it keeps ticking. So now we took it from a non-working beat up Timex to one that's working fine.